Hello everyone. I hope you're okay. Let's do our analysis for gold for intraday trading for 13th of May 2025. All these times are UK times. We have gold open already, and there's a monthly chart, and the market is coming down at the moment, as you can see in the monthly. The fib level I've started from here to here, and the strong area is 0.61. This is a strong area. The moment I can see, now I'll verify with different time frames whether this is a strong area or not. Just remove the Fibonacci level and going to weekly. Just to let you know that monthly candle is undecision candle. So it's not a very bearish bullish candle because uh, both sides there's almost equal rejection. However, in weekly, we can see strong rejection multiple times and this liquidity sweep. So what I'm expecting the market to come down as it happened today as well. The market did come down from 33.28 to 32.37 level. And now also there's a fair value gap here, and we can see the market may test this level 31.67, and the monthly level we had it 31.24. So almost 300 pips difference. So this area is very important. Uh, Let me another line here. Then but this is the area where we can expect the prices to reject from. And daily, currently market is testing this level here, but we can definitely see this liquidity sweep from around this area. And after liquidity sweep, market will carry on going to the upside, hopefully. And daily, you did see the market came down today as well because weekly was bearish. Now, going into 4 hour, market is currently at this support area. And once this support is broken, the next we have this big zone. So market may test this big zone, right? So where we'll get the trading opportunities. As you can see in 1 hour, that market is making lower lows and testing on this level. We had these trades and market keep tested here, and now I would expect a sell trade from here in 4 hour. Sorry, in 1 hour time frame. So what we can expect? This is one scenario. However, if this level is broken, we can see further move to the upside. So this is the current scenario is building up here. Now tomorrow we have news as well. Let's see uh, what kind of news we have. Tomorrow, which is 13th, the Tuesday. So we got CPI, core CPI, and we got GBP if you trade in GBP. And so we got quite a bit of heavy news. CPI is important news. So 1:30 p.m. UK time. So market can fluctuate quite a lot. tomorrow. Should be a lot of volatility in the market. So, as I said, on test of this level, we can see a good sell trade in 1 hour. And on test of these levels, here on liquidity sweep, we can take some buy trades. And you're going to go into 15 minutes. See what's happening in 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, you can see that the bearish trend as well. So as I said, we all will look for this area and further down in the daily, uh, further down in 1 hour, the area I drawn here, 3167 to 3124. These are the areas for buy trades. I hope this is helpful, but if you join my Telegram channel, I send there updates on day trading setups. And if you have any questions, you can always comment in the video and I'll get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.